Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create landing page in Weebly. If you want to promote a product, collect leads, or run a marketing campaign, creating a landing page is one of the most effective things you can do. With Weebly, you can easily build a focused landing page using its drag-and-drop editor, no coding required. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on Weebly. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the website where you want to add your landing page. Once the editor loads, click on the plus button and go to the Pages section, usually located at the top of the screen. This is where you manage all the pages on your website. You'll be given several page options. For a landing page, choose a standard page, since it gives you full flexibility to design it exactly how you want. In this case, it's the blank page option. After selecting the page type, enter a name for your landing page. Now click on the page to start editing it. Inside the editor, use the drag and drop tools on the left-hand side to build your landing page. Drag each element onto the page and position it where you want. Keep your landing page simple and focused. Avoid adding too many sections or distractions. Your goal is to guide visitors toward one main action. Make sure everything matches your brand and looks clean and professional. Once you're done designing, click Preview to see how your landing page will appear to visitors. If everything looks good, click the Publish button. Your landing page is now live and ready to be shared. Using Weebly makes it easy to create landing pages that are simple, effective, and optimized for conversions. To summarize, creating a landing page in Weebly involves going to the Pages section, adding a new standard page, naming it, designing it with drag-and-drop elements, and publishing it. Keeping the page focused and simple helps improve conversions and achieve your goal. And that's how to create a landing page in Weebly. By using the page builder and focusing on key elements, you can quickly create a high-converting landing page for your campaigns. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.